In a big shift for the Indian smartphone market, Xiaomi has announced it will phase out its GetApps store and replace it with the Indus Appstore, powered by Phone, starting January 2025. This move will impact all Xiaomi, Redmi, and Poco devices sold in India. GetApps, which faced criticism for its ads and bloatware, will be replaced by the Indus Appstore, an Android-based marketplace offering over 200,000 apps in 45 categories, plus support for 12 Indian languages. With Phone's integration, users can expect easier payments and a more localized experience. The change will happen through system updates, and GetApps will no longer be preloaded on new or existing devices. While the Indus Appstore promises a cleaner interface and fewer ads, some users may wonder about data privacy and performance compared to Google Play. Xiaomi's upcoming 2025 devices, including the Xiaomi 15 series and new Redmi models, are expected to help further strengthen the brand's position in India. Stay tuned for more updates.